So what kind of coffee do you drink?
My what cup? How many cup?
No, what kind?
Kind of coffee. Yeah.
Black coffee.
Black coffee? Oh,
Yes.
I just I change a lot. I use 3-in-1, sometimes white coffee.
I drink black coffee and a little sugar.
In your
Maybe 20%.
20%.
Yes.
I can't drink black coffee. I get 3-in-1. I use the G7 coffee. You know the G7 to drink the coffee. G7 like
Yes.
I don't know.
3-in-1 a lot of milk.
3-in-1
Right.
there's a lot of milk in there
A lot of sugar. Yeah, sugar.
and a lot of sugar.
Yes. I don't like sweet.
Yeah, but some depend on the brand. Like some brand the same like 3-in-1 but so sweet.
Yes.
Like some brand not sweet. Like
When I go to buy at market like Amazon or Brown, I take coffee and get sugar 20 or 30%.
Wow.
Yes, it's okay. And 100,000 is so sweet.
100%. Yeah.
I saw that you told me the price.
Okay.
The person is so sweet, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's time now anyway. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sister.
Okay. Good talk. Yeah, good talk. You speak very well. Okay, good. It's like speak without any difficulties. Okay, that's wonderful for you. You are ready to go to the USA. Okay. You are ready to go. Pocket, yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, you're okay. Your English is okay. Okay, just learn more words. You just learn more words and then you're okay, good to go already. Okay, yeah.